Hello, my name's Danny Goad. I'm with Red Key Realty, and I'm standing in front of my newest listing at 48 Irvin Seay Road in Bassett, Virginia. This is a beautiful cottage with 1,089 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. It's been totally remodeled, new kitchen countertops, new kitchen cabinets with appliances. The floors have been totally redone. Most of the windows have been are replacement windows, tilt in, easy for cleaning, and it's located in such a beautiful place. The grounds have been so meticulously taken care of with flowers of all sorts, many fruit trees, and to cap it all off, there is a 24 by 30 drive-through garage that you can access from each end, plus it has a side entry if you need that. Also, it has an RV hookup at the edge of the lot. It would be fantastic for anyone who likes to travel or they have relatives that are in to visit, and has its own separate septic system, electrical hookup, water's available. So if you'd be interested in taking a look at this fantastic home, feel free to give me a call. My name again is Danny Goad. My phone number is 540-354-9556, and I look forward to hearing from you.